How to be safe online while doing mobile banking. Hi guys, my name is Iman Shumansur. You're watching my channel, and in this video we will talk about mobile banking and how you can be safe when it comes to mobile banking. Now mobile banking, use of UPI, use of mobile wallets, use of debit card, credit card on mobile phone, everything is increasing day by day, and today a mobile phone has replaced almost 80 to 90% of the work which you do on a laptop. So in this video I will discuss 5 points which you need to make sure when you are doing mobile banking. The first precaution which you need to take while using these apps is that you need to have screen lock in your mobile phones. Screen lock is very important when it comes to your mobile phones, because you see, God forbid if your mobile phone is lost, then obviously the person who gets access to your mobile phone cannot open your mobile phone without entering the PIN, pattern or fingerprint scanner or whatever is there. Please do not activate face unlock, because face unlock is not at all secured as compared to PIN, pattern and fingerprint scanners. The second point is that have another layer of security. Now there are many applications which provide app locks in mobile phones. These are applications which use either your fingerprint scanner of your mobile phones or maybe PIN, pattern, whatever you set, which will be different or maybe same according to your choice than your screen lock which you have. This is usually activated on apps which are very sensitive to your data, which are very sensitive to your financial and personal matters. Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, like UPI apps and social media apps like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn and all. Suppose if your phone is in wrong hands, what you can do is you can add this extra layer of security. Even if that wrong person has opened your phone, he has to enter another PIN, enter another pattern, or maybe use your fingerprint in order to open that app as well. In fact, whenever you are navigating through these apps, then also there are some occasions when they will ask for verification. To give you an example, if you are using Zomato and you are ordering food. Now Zomato, you have activated app lock. When you are opening Zomato, it will ask for your PIN, pattern, password, whatever. You have entered that. Once you are placing the order, if you select Google Pay, Phone Pay or Paytm, it will redirect you to that application in your mobile phone. Now when it is redirecting, the app locker quickly identifies that you are opening another app. Again it will ask for entering that PIN, pattern, password, whichever you have set. So that adds another layer of security to your financial and personal data. The verification is asked at every regular interval. Sometimes it becomes frustrating, but yes, when it comes to security, I think that is a small price to pay. When it comes to your financial security, when it comes to protection of your money, protection of your data. The third point is that use trusted apps only. Using apps like Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm and UPI apps of different banks, these are verified apps. These are apps verified by central government, like government of India, and maybe the government in your country. Even if you are watching this video outside of India, you must be having different sort of applications which you are using on the phone. Please use only trusted applications. Do not hand over your data to applications which are not at all like certified by Google, which are not at all certified by the Apple App Store, or which are third-party apps. The fourth point is to use a very strong password. Using PIN, using pattern and using fingerprint are very secure, and the most secure in all these is a PIN. PIN is the most secure which you can use for unlocking your phone, for unlocking your apps in order for your access. So please activate strong passwords on strong PINs, strong patterns on all these apps. And if you find out that your account has been compromised, your data has been compromised, what you can do is you can go to all these social media websites, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and all. They have settings in their privacy and login and security settings where you can go and change the password, and they have an option that logging out with all the devices. And you can also track which are the devices which are logged in with your account details, account credentials. Suppose if someone breaks into your account, you can get to know that the person who has break into your account where is he or she located, which device they are using, and you can quickly change the password and log out from all the devices. This will automatically log out your account from the mobile phone or the system or the laptop which the hacker is using. The fifth point is you don't share your OTP or trust any calls from banks. Now, OTP is something which is very personal to your own transaction and your own bank account, or maybe your own social media account. So OTP is something which is not to be shared with anyone, and also please note that no bank calls you and asks for OTP. There is no bank which will call you and say that okay sir, please install this app and I have sent you a message, please give this OTP, because there have been many scams. People have been robbed for thousands of dollars just because a person called them and said that okay, we are calling from this bank, please give us this OTP, we have just sent you on your mobile phone. You give them the OTP and then you get to know that they had got their debit card details, or they had got their mobile wallet details, and they have just compromised your account and they have just looted money from your bank account. No bank is giving you any calls. Even banks and mobile wallet companies also give you regular updates, also give you regular SMSs stating that we do not make any calls, we do not ask for OTP on a call. It happened with me a few 2 or 3 years back. One of this scamster called me up and he said that sir, your credit card bill is pending. I said, from which bank are you calling? And he said that I'm calling from State Bank of India. And I said that okay fine, how much is the amount? He said that it is 12,000 rupees and you can give me your debit card details, or you can transfer on this account. And I told that person that okay fine, I will pay the amount. Then he asked me, when are you going to pay the amount? I told him that please be patient, I will pay that amount. And then he said that no sir, you have to pay it right now because your account may be compromised. Then I told that person that first of all, Mr. Scamster, I do not have any account in State Bank of India, and secondly, I do not use any credit card. So please stop scamming me. The moment I said this, he started abusing me and disconnected the phone. So this is the type of scams which are going on everywhere. Digital payments is growing, but yes, you have to be very careful when it comes to security in digital payments as well. Anyways guys, that's it for this video. These are 5 precautions which you need to take care of when you're using mobile banking. If you have any more points, please comment down below, like this video, share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.